Let's now talk about banned Khalistani outfit Sikhs for Justice, which is minting the misery of the COVID-19 patients in India. It is trying to increase the number of its followers amidst the coronavirus pandemic by promising them cash and oxygen. Since the inception of its referendum 2020 propaganda, Sikhs for Justice has been trying to lure the people of Punjab with monetary rewards, citing various socio-economic issues like the farmer protest and COVID-19. Our report. The outlawed pro-Khalistan group Sikhs for Justice is indulging in what officials called an oxygen conspiracy. According to Punjab officials, Sikhs for Justice is trying to fish in troubled waters to increase its followers in the border state. Over 24 calls have been tracked down that show Gurpatwant Singh Pannu's organization promising Rs 3,000 to Punjab COVID-19 patients in need of oxygen. US-based Gurpatwant Singh Pannu has been designated as terrorist by India as he is running a secessionist agenda to carve out a separate state of Punjab from India. Pannu has announced that Sikhs for Justice will provide oxygen money of Rs 3,000 to each COVID patient in Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal and Punjab. Moreover, the organization has also launched a website for registration to get the amount.
So concerns remain. How they are to be addressed, I think, is already being done by the Indian security forces, by the political establishment and by the intelligence agencies. But it is going to be a long drawn-out battle, and I feel the battle lines are drawn, and we will see as to how it goes from here.
Sikhs for Justice was banned on July 10, 2019 by India under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act for anti-India activities. After the COVID-19 pandemic broke out last year, the organization's Gurpatwant Singh Pannu has made several statements targeting the Indian government. In the garb of helping people with monetary rewards, Sikhs for Justice has been collecting personal data of people by asking them to register on different web portals to use this data for its referendum 2020 agenda. If anyone fills the form, the data is collected and used to show the support his group has from Indians. They have launched multiple websites with a similar form to attract the people of Punjab. However, the Indian administration has banned these websites. Recently, Sikhs for Justice also launched a web portal for the people of West Bengal and Maharashtra to declare the independence of West Bengal and Maharashtra from the Union of India.
Our vision is very strong. There is stability in Punjab and revival of Sikh militancy is chances are almost zero. However, if there is potentially any instability in Punjab or elsewhere in the country, they could be exploited by Pakistan and anti-Indian organizations based in UK, America, Canada, Germany, Italy, Australia, New Zealand and elsewhere.
The Sikh community across India have rejected the idea of Khalistan. Various organizations in Punjab have already condemned the referendum 2020 by the pro-Khalistan outfit Sikhs for Justice and called for strict action against those propagating anti-India movement. Khalistani secessionists like Pannu are mere cannon fodder for ISI, which has been promoting Khalistani agenda for years. Although a huge force and money is being pushed in to destroy the youth and hamper peace in India, assertive vigilance and several crackdowns leading to multiple arrests have been able to contain the anti-India activities happening at the commands of Islamabad.